Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to get custom songs and mods in Beat Saber on Steam, your ultimate guide for 2025. Whether you're looking to freshen up your playlists or take your VR experience to the next level, this tutorial will have you slicing beats like a pro in no time. First, make sure your Steam app is open on your computer. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Your Steam credentials are like keys to your digital playground, so keep them safe. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Steam homepage. This is where all the magic begins. Next, head to the top of the screen and click on the Store tab. In the search bar, type in Beat Saber and hit enter. Click on the game from the search results to open its dedicated Steam page. Here you'll find everything from official info to links that connect you with the amazing Beat Saber community. One of the most valuable spots on the page is the Community Hub. This is where players share guides, mods, and custom tracks. Click on the Guides section and look for tutorials related to modding or configuration. You'll find detailed step-by-step guides specifically focused on downloading and installing custom songs and mods. And make sure to pick one that's updated for 2025. Following the guide carefully is key. It will walk you through everything from setting up mods safely to adding your favorite custom tracks. The Beat Saber community is huge and supportive, so don't hesitate to explore different mods, experiment with new songs, and find what makes the game most fun for you. Once you've downloaded your custom songs and mods, launch Beat Saber from your Steam library. You'll immediately notice how much richer your experience becomes. New songs, fresh challenges, and endless hours of gameplay await. And that's it. With these steps, you're ready to take Beat Saber to the next level. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy slicing.